With this, I want to conclude assembly. Have a great day ahead. Thank you. I would like to call Narendra brother for a speech. Happy morning to one and all present here. Myself, B. Narendra of Grade-VII Jasper. Today I am going to give speech on self-motivation. Self-motivation is one of the best form of motivation to motivate oneself. It is very important element which is required to stimulate the desire of the people to perform and give their best at their work. The people those who are self-motivated can overcome the challenges and they build a positive attitude and they think everything in positive manner. The people those who are self-motivated are great at time management and self-confident. The people those who are self-motivated, they can overcome the challenges and they can work for a longer time and they can give their best. Thank you. To call my friend Nagapradit for a speech.
Happy morning everyone. Today's speech is brought to you by V. Nagapradit of Grade-VII Jasper. Global warming is definitely the greatest single environmental challenge facing by our Earth at present. It is essential to understand gravity of the situation. The fuels which we use in order to power our houses, cars, big factories and more are heating up our Earth faster than we expected. If we not stop continuing this, our Earth will become even more worse. Impact of global warming. As our Earth is becoming even more hotter, we need to think collectively right now instead of waiting for more. The primary cause of global warming are fossil fuels. Human beings are addicted to burning of them, which produces greenhouse gases, coal, and more. Big factories produces carbon dioxide, which stays in the atmosphere for more than 5 decades. Steps to prevent global warming. Nowadays, people are using vehicles to travel for shorter distances also, which increases carbon dioxide. So we need to reduce the usage of vehicles for going for shorter distances, and we need to reduce the burning of coal and usage of plastic, and also we need to reduce the chemicals using of chemicals in factories. If we do this, our future generations will live without any problem. I would like to end my speech with a quotation. మనం ప్రకృతిని కాపాడితే ఏదో ఒక సమయంలో ప్రకృతి కూడా మనల్ని కాపాడుతుంది. ఇఫ్ వి సేవ్ నేచర్, నేచర్ సేవ్స్ us. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Now I have speech. Happy morning everyone. I am Pratik of Grade-VII Jasper. Today's speech about social media. Social media has become a part of in our day-to-day life. It has social media is being used in a large scale over the world. It has advantages and both disadvantages. Example, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. These apps are used for entertainment purposes and education. Thank you. Short speech. I would like to call my friend Varshit.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Varshit. I am from Grade-VII Jasper. Today I stand before you to deliver a speech. One of the most celebrated and treated of our time, Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is referred to as the Run-Machine Antin Kohli, who was an Indian cricketer born on November 5, 1998 in Delhi, India. She was the fastest player in the world. Virat Kohli's father Prem Kohli was a lawyer who supported his son and was a big part of his childhood. Virat Kohli, she made his debut the Indian national team in 2008. Virat Kohli was an Indian cricketer who was the fastest player to reach 8,000 to 11,000. Virat Kohli fought when Virat Kohli was playing for Delhi against Karnataka in Delhi. Virat Kohli fought a flame and Kohli was passed away due to heart attack in a week away. Virat Kohli lost his father away. Virat Kohli was hardworking and completely successful to this goal. As we celebrate Virat Kohli, this is originally titled as Virat Kohli achievement memorable in the cricketing year to come. So I consider this speech with a thought. When a person wants to success to this goal, should work hard. మనిషికి విజయం సాధించాలనే లక్ష్యం కష్టపడి పని చేయాలి. So I hope you that my speech on Virat Kohli give you informative and inspiring. So thank you for listening to my speech on Virat Kohli.
General knowledge, I would like to call Harshini. Happy morning everyone. Myself Harshini from Grade-VII Jasper. I am here to ask you GK questions and check your general knowledge. Question for grade 6. Which is the largest rainforest in the world? Yes, you pick the right answer. And the right answer is the Amazon rainforest. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 7. How many minutes are there in a full week? I repeat it again. How many minutes are there in a full week? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. And the answer is 10,080 minutes. Question for grade 8. Who discovered infinity symbol? I repeat it again. Who discovered infinity symbol? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. And the right answer is John Wallis. Question for grade 9. Which is the tallest waterfall in the world? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the right answer is Angel Falls. Open questions. First question. Which country is known as the land of the midnight? I repeat it again. Which country is known as the land of the midnight? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the right answer is Norway. Let us appreciate them. Question number 2. Who discovered sea route to India and in which year? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Vasco da Gama in 1498. Let us appreciate them. Question number 3. What is the powerhouse of a cell? Yes, you picked the right answer and the right answer is mitochondria. Let us appreciate them. Question number 4. Which is the outermost layer of a flower? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer and the answer is calyx. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A new word changes our vocabulary. So I would like to call Komal to tell a new word.
Happy morning to everyone. I am Komal from 7th B. Today new word is implicit. Please friend spell after me. Implicit. I M P L I C I T. Implicit. Antonym of implicit, limited. Synonym of implicit, complete, perfect. Thank you.
Always a great to start our day with a beautiful thought. Now I would like to call Brinda to say a thought.
Thought. Always shoot to the moon. Laziness is a gravity that pulls you down. But your goal is a a rocket that takes you up. I repeat it again, always shoot to the moon. Laziness is the gravity that pulls you down, but your goal is a rocket that takes you up. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Self is a good habit. Now I would like to call Tarak from Grade-VII Jasper. Happy morning to everyone. Today news is brought to you by young Tarak of Grade-VII Jasper. International news. Top Russian general killed in bomb attack in Moscow. National news. One nation, one election bill tabled in Lok Sabha. State news. Cold wave grips Hyderabad and part of Telangana. Sport news. India versus Australia. Third test. It was fighting partnership from Jasprit Bumrah and Akashdeep. It was draw match due to rain. Thank you.